Hello, everyone. So you are sued, and you wonder, how did this happen? I went above and beyond to help my patients only to be sued by them. Am I the problem? My name is Premkiranreddy, founding attorney of Reddy's law firm. I will lean on my training and experience in both the medical and legal fields to answer these questions. So the first thing is, don't panic. Find out what the protocols for your hospital or clinic are and follow them. These might be inform your supervisor, legal department, insurance company, and so on. Even if it is a slam dunk case in your favor, please do not contact anyone about the case who's not on the protocol list, especially the opposite side, before consulting with your legal team. This can be detrimental to your case. Now let us take a step back and examine this from a bird's eye view. Before we look at the other sides, looking into yourself is good. Prevention is better than cure. So even if you did no wrong, you need to figure out if there is something that you can do to avoid being in this situation again. First, you look into yourself and make sure that you haven't intentionally caused someone harm. Second, you need to know if you are subconsciously doing something to cause harm or placing yourself in prime position to be a target. Take the time to reflect on how you react in stressful situations. Can your words, actions, or other reactions in stress be construed as something you didn't intend it to be? So, how do you reflect on yourself? A. Ask trusted colleagues and family for input on your biases and problematic behavior patterns, or perhaps even take constructive criticism from those who do not like you. Perhaps there are some safeguard techniques that you can implement in your practice to avoid such suits, and others may have input on this. B. Work on fixing those biases and problematic behavior patterns so that even at your worst, you are at your best. Remember, this could even be your good nature, like saying, "I'm so sorry," way too often than you should. Also, work on implementing those safeguard suggestions to avoid suits in the future. C. Issues that terrify you. Tackle them head on. Take inventory of your work and personal lives. List all the issues affecting you. There may be issues that you're afraid to face that have plagued you for so long, which both consciously and subconsciously affect your work. The consequences would be devastating if you address these problems. Do not be afraid of the consequences. Yes, they are real, but deal with these issues now head on rather than later when it is too late. Because then it would be even worse. Do not sweep it under the rug. Make a decision now and don't look back. By doing these things, you will be more free, more relaxed, and bolder to be the best version of you and unlock your full potential. Your mind is now free and alert to watch for people taking advantage of you and for those troublesome situations. This is because your mind isn't thinking or isn't weighed down by those untackled issues. Your behavior is also now well-tempered because you have no biases, and in stressful situations, you know how to react calmly and make fewer mistakes that get you sued. Having said that, no matter how good you are, people may still sue you and get you in trouble. You may not change how other people behave towards you, but you can limit their effect on you. You can do this by not repeatedly placing yourself voluntarily in such positions, and by not letting them bother you in situations that you cannot avoid. I mean, you do have psychiatry training, so you do know how to catch these behavior issues and deal with them. So to recap, know yourself and your biases, work on them, deal with all the issues in your life head on, and incorporate safeguard suggestions from trusted sources. And now you are free to think rationally, catch the red flags, and not put yourself in troublesome situations. Please also be on the lookout for my series of videos on various other topics including contracts, ethics, malpractice, health law, and dispute resolution. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.